let's talk about today Bitcoin and everything's. Okay, so first of all, let's see the Bitcoin market. A 4-hour chart, we can see a ascending triangle pattern, we can see. Okay, and let me tell you, this is a bullish pattern and a good for us. Okay, it's a bullish pattern, good for us. We can see a small bounce back to 30k, I think. Okay, and our target will be 30 to 32.5k easily, and at this time I don't recommend any long entry. Okay, you don't need to do any long entry. You can do long from 28,450 or 28,500, and if you want free signals to make your portfolio like a skyrocket, join my Telegram channel now, link in the description. Okay, so I don't recommend anything at this time, any trade, so don't take any trade. Okay, so we can see money flow at this time. There is some large sell, we can see. Okay, and see there is a very large amount of selling in last 24 hours. Okay, so let's talk about some news. We can see Binance is facing sui this time. Okay, so it's not a good news, and many bad news is coming in the market. So at this time, don't take any entry, and just wait for the good time. Once you get the price 28,500, take an entry, then pump. So wait for it. If we see a breakout, and if the price went 29,800, we see breakout, we can easily go 30k to 32.5k. Subscribe my channel now. I will see you in the next video. Join my Telegram for free signal.